Because we are miracles. There are 8 billion people on the planet. We come from 30, 40 billion people who've lived on this planet, and there have never been two people who are identical in every way. And everybody is unique. We're all extraordinary with innate capabilities and innate potential that we need to learn how to just turn the switch on, put ourselves in control to learn how to bring about a healthy state of being, physically, mentally, spiritually, in all ways. And it starts with thought. It starts with learning how to access your full capabilities, how to learn how to control your emotions, how to learn how to focus your attention to fulfill your goals and to solve any problem. We move off of the negative and into the positive. And every single instant we get to choose whether or not we're going to be negative or we're going to be positive. And it's all about positive and having a positive viewpoint and being able to see solutions to whatever the challenge or problem is that you're encountering in life, because that's what life is. And being able to conceive positive approaches to how to take action so that you can live a better life. It's not complicated, it's experiential, and it's being willing to give yourself permission and have a goal and take action on it, whatever it might be. The possibilities are infinite, and we have infinite reservoirs of potential that we need to just tap into and unleash to fulfill our destiny wherever we are, whatever we're doing. And so our work and my life mission is about helping to help you source that, whatever that might be for you, how to unleash that power, how to awaken that capability so that you can go on and have the greatest life possible for you. Not without challenges, but being able to solve the challenges in a healthy, productive way and be able to gather more and more momentum for improving all aspects of your life. It can be simply to lose weight, or maybe you want to, a smoker out there or has a habit, whatever it might be. It may be something you want to change. We can assist you so that you can assist yourself and empower yourself to fulfill your destiny on this amazing journey we call life. It is such a miracle to be alive. We have such incredible opportunities available to us and technology that anything is possible in this day and age to bring about a better world, so that when we move on, the world we have left behind, we'll have left behind a better world for those who follow. And so that's our mission, that's our quest, and we'll look forward to more of it.